Hey everyone, it's Tina Marie. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a review on Sogoodhair. I am so excited. This is my first time using them. So it comes with a wig cap, it comes with lashes, also an adjustable strap, and the bag says what type of wig it is. So it is a 360 deep wave, 150% density. This is what it looks like straight out of the pack. I love that the hairline looks realistic. It's just not one straight line. So it makes it look more real. And it does have baby hairs if you like to have baby hairs. And so on the inside of it, it has 4 combs. It has one in the middle, 2 on the side, 1 in the back, and it also comes with adjustable straps. So I'm just trying it on because I just wanted to see how it's going to look before I cut the lace off. And one thing about this hair is that it has really good parting space. It parts all the way towards the middle of the head, and I really do like that. So as you can see, I'm parting it to the side. You can see the scalp really nice. I'm gonna part it on the other side, and you can still see the scalp really nice. So if you don't want to bleach it, you definitely don't have to, because I think they did a really good job with that. So now I'm just cutting the lace off, and I'm just putting some powder on the wig so that it could look a little bit more like my real part, the color of it anyway. So I decided I wanted to wear this hair in a side part, so I'm just going to make a defined part. And I'm just using some mousse because that is going to help define the part even more. So I'm just putting it on the sides of the part so that can lay just a little bit flat so that you will notice the part a little bit more. Now I'm just taking some of that same powder that I use and putting it on the top of my part. And that's really what makes this wig look super duper realistic. So I love how fluffy this hair is, and this is what it looks like straight out of the box. I really didn't comb through the curls or anything, and I know the curls were a little clumped together because that's how it's sent in the package. But I am going to fast forward so you can see what it looks like a week later. Okay, y'all, so what y'all seen at the very beginning was the hair straight out of the box, and I just wanted y'all to see what it looked like that, because you know sometimes when you get it straight out of the box and you wear it for a while, it looks different. So I've been wearing this hair for about a week, and I love this hair so much. I washed it. I cut a little bit right here with the bangs. I wanted to see if the texture was gonna change after I washed it and cut it, how much shedding I was gonna get, you know, how the hair felt, if it was gonna be really dry or rough. I mean, the curls look a little bit looser, but I guess that's just because when I first got it out of the box, they were like clumped together. So now that I actually loosened the curls up and I ran my fingers through it and I washed it and everything, I love how this looks. So this is an 18-inch 150 density. It's a deep wave. I like that it's not too long. It just stops right here, and I think that that's a really good length. I didn't do anything to the part because y'all know I don't bleach. I don't know how to, so I don't bleach the hair. I just put a little bit of powder on the part. You can see my part is crooked, but it is what it is. But all in all, this hair, I love this wig. I was wearing it all week and I've gotten so many compliments on it. The only thing that I put on this hair, I really didn't put anything on it during the week. If I felt like it needed like a little rejuvenation, I would just spray it with water and that is it. I washed it with conditioner, and then to style it, I just used some foaming lotion and then I just ran it through my hair, and that is it. I also wanted to show y'all what it looked like wet. And this is just what it looks like wet, and then once it dries, it would look like this. I know I'm probably looking crazy right now with half my hair wet and then the other half dry, but I just wanted to give y'all a visual. This is definitely a get up and go wig. As you can see, it did look good once I took it straight out the box. So if you just need to hurry up and go and take it out the box, then you can definitely do that too, girl. I will leave all the information about this hair down below in the description box. Make sure that you check them out. This is my first time trying this company, and so far I really like it. If y'all would like an update on this video on how this hair is doing in about a month or two, let me know, because I'm sure I would definitely still be wearing this wig. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you have tried this company before as well, and make sure you like and comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you all on the next video.